Okay, everyone, today we're going to be learning a speed vault. It is just the same thing as a safety vault, just instead of putting your foot on the block, you're just going to make you over. The example of that is you're going to put your hand flat on the block like a safety vault, and then you're going to go bring your right leg, or either leg over, and then bring the other through, and land. The idea, though, is called speed vault. So you want to go at it running, and go nice fast. Oh, Matthew, go ahead. Nice, good job. Next time, just don't use both hands. You gotta use one only. Again, make sure you really bring your leg over and through. Good job, Bo. He's a star student. Okay, now this time, speed vault is a speed vault, so we're gonna go through this a little bit faster. You're gonna go down here, nice and fast through here. You're gonna go around, and together right here. Go ahead, Matthew. Nice, good job. Okay, well done. Oh, remember, you gotta really bring your foot up and through. Nice, good job. And we have our star student over here. Well done.